If you need to verify your age on X or Twitter, there are two main methods you can use depending on your account and what you're trying to do. In this video, I'll walk you through both options step by step so you can choose the one that fits your situation. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick social media guides. Let's start with the standard method, which is adding your birth date to your profile. This is the easiest way to help X confirm that your account meets the minimum age requirement. First, go to x.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Profile. This will open your public profile page. On your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button, which is usually located below your header image on the right side. Click that button to open your profile settings. Now scroll down until you find the birth date section. Click on it and you'll be able to enter your date of birth. Carefully select the correct day, month, and year. Make sure everything is accurate before continuing because this information can affect how your account is treated by the platform. If you want to keep your birthday private, you can also adjust the visibility options and set it so only you can see it. That gives you a little more privacy while still letting X use the information for age verification. When you're done, click Save in the top right corner. At this point, your birth date should be added to your profile and X can use it to verify your age. Now, there is one very important warning here. If you change your birth year and it shows that you were under 13 years old when you originally created the account, X may instantly lock you out. So only use this method if your birthday is correct and matches your real age. Now let's move to the second method, which is submitting a government ID. This is usually used for sensitive content access, creator monetization, or for users who are X Premium subscribers and need an official identity check. To start, click More in the left sidebar. This is the three-dot menu that opens additional settings. From there, go to Settings and Privacy, then Security and Account Access, and then Security. Inside the Security menu, look for ID verification and click it. Keep in mind that this option is generally only available for accounts that have premium and the blue checkmark, so if you don't see it, that may be why. Once you open the verification page, select the option to verify your identity and click Start. If you're on a PC, X may ask you to scan a QR code with your smartphone or use your webcam to continue the process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully so you don't have to restart the steps. Next, you'll be asked to upload a clear image of a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and in some cases, a live selfie as well. Make sure the picture is well lit, readable, and not blurry, because poor image quality can slow down the review process or cause rejection. After that, submit the information and wait for X's automated systems to review it. Usually the age status is updated within a few days, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Just keep an eye on your account notifications and email in case X needs anything else from you. Once the verification is complete, your account should reflect the updated age status. And that's how you verify your age on X, whether you're using your profile birthday or going through the official ID verification process. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more X, Twitter, or social media walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.